How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today we're going to talk about this. The fact that volume control is not working on WhatsApp on your iPhone in iOS 17. As you can see, pressing volume up, pressing volume down, and then nothing happens. So then when you're listening for an audio message, for example, as you can see, you can't adjust volume. The same goes if you're watching a video or making a video call. So no matter what you're doing here on WhatsApp, you just can't adjust volume. So it's so annoying. Well, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix it. Let's get started. Okay, so this volume control issue is actually a bug, and Meta, the owner of WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and many other companies, they are aware of this problem, and of course, they are trying to fix it via app updates, via updating WhatsApp itself. They have to fix it, right? And they're doing it. But of course, we have to make sure WhatsApp is updated. So let's go ahead here and tap on App Store. So let's open up our App Store and then tap here on search. And then at the top right here, let's search for WhatsApp, as you can see. And then we're gonna see WhatsApp right there. Tap on it. And then you'll probably see update, just like you're seeing on my iPhone right here. Maybe you won't see update, maybe it'll just be open, but don't worry, there's still a fix even if you don't have an update available. All right, if you do, go ahead here and tap on update, come back, and if you're using WhatsApp Business, do the same. Okay, so tap here on WhatsApp Business, check if there's an update, go ahead here and update as well, and then all you have to do is wait for WhatsApp to be updated. It'll just take a couple seconds. Okay, so after the update is done, we have one last final step, which is restart our iPhone. And this step is mandatory for everyone. So if you had an update, just like I did, right? I just updated WhatsApp, you must restart afterwards. And even if you didn't have an update, even if it was like that, open all the way, you didn't have an update at all, still restart your iPhone because this will fix it. Okay, so go ahead here and press your side button plus volume up. Okay, so press and hold both for a few seconds. You're gonna see this screen right here, and then you're gonna slide to power off. We're just rebooting the device. We're not gonna lose anything, any data or anything like that. Just turn off and turn back on. Okay, so after a few seconds, as you can see, yeah, I think we're pretty much done now. We can go ahead and turn it on. So press your side button right here once again, just the side button, press and hold for 1, 2, 3 seconds, and then you will see the Apple logo. You can release and then just wait for it to reboot. Now, all you have to do is swipe up, type in your passcode. As you can see, mine is super complicated. And then you can go ahead here, open up WhatsApp, and then let's test it out. So volume up. And there we go. We got volume up, volume down. It's fully working. It's back to normal. If we play any kind of media,
volume up, volume down,
it'll work perfectly as well. And then that's fixed, at least for now. Okay, maybe this is a temporary fix, but that's the best we can do right now. So keep updating WhatsApp daily. Go ahead, open up the App Store and test it out, and restart your iPhone if the problem persists. If the problem appears once again, just restart your iPhone and it'll do the trick. Maybe it'll come back, so then you restart it all over again. So that's the best we can do. Keep updating, keep restarting until it's fixed. Generally, after you restart, you're gonna have a good experience for a couple days, and then if it comes back, you can restart it once again. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video as usual, guys. Bye bye.